have already talked about the benefits of essential oils and the different kinds of oils that there are for our skin and body. One of the most used is lavender. Have you ever used it? How do you apply it? Share your experiences with us. These oils, like lavender, cinnamon, clove, eucalyptus, lemon, and oregano, are great to fight many diseases and strengthen the immune system. Besides that, the lavender essential oil can be used to calm down. Rosemary gives energy, and sweet orange oil brings happiness. Highly concentrated and extracted from plants, essential oils are now not only key products in spas, but finding their way into many beauty products, medicines, and even some foods. Not to mention that today it is common to find essential oils in people's houses around the world. Besides its most common uses, aromatherapy has been gaining a lot of space as a way to control stress and anxiety, which are very common in this period of social isolation, and also for skincare, allergies, etc. If you have a diffuser at home, just put 5 to 10 drops of essential oil in it, or follow the instructions on the bottle, and inhale the aroma to enjoy the therapeutic effects. But if you don't have a diffuser, and if you don't want to invest in one right now, another good option is to drop some oil in a bowl with hot water. 1 or 2 drops are enough. Besides that, eucalyptus oil can also improve your respiratory immunity. In this case, you can apply 1 drop of the essential oil on your hands, rub them together, and put them over your nose and mouth to breathe. It also helps with rhinitis and colds. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are helping you and your health. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. There are hundreds of essential oils, each one with a different function. We have many videos about essential oils on our channel. Even for those who are still a little skeptical about the properties of aromatherapy, giving a nice perfume to your house can already help alleviate some anxieties and make you feel a little comfier during the quarantine. Try some essential oils to lessen your physical and emotional issues during these trying times. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.